In fact, latest that we are getting is from the External Affairs Ministry, whose spokesperson Vikas Swarup has said that India is going to try everything possible to ensure that Vijay Mallya is brought back to the country. A number of steps have been initiated in the recent past to ensure that Vijay Mallya is brought back to face the investigating agencies. 3 summons of the Enforcement Directorate so far have been ignored by the liquor baron. Soon after that, his passport was suspended, and now the process has been initiated also to get him back to India.
The Enforcement Directorate conveying to us that the Court of Sessions Greater Mumbai has issued a non-bailable warrant in the name of Shri Vijay Mallya. On the basis of that non-bailable warrant, they have requested us to consider initiating steps for the deportation of Shri Vijay Mallya to India to ensure his presence before the lawful authorities to proceed with the investigation against him. We are currently consulting legal experts on the next steps in this particular matter.
So the MEA, they're making it very clear that all the legal options are currently being explored. This after the issuance of a non-bailable warrant against Vijay Mallya. The Enforcement Directorate, in fact, had argued before a special court in Mumbai that Vijay Mallya had ignored 3 of their summons, which is why now they wanted him to be deported, to be brought back into India. We've got Aditya Rajkol with us on the phone line now. What is going to be the process from here on? Is the issuance of a red corner notice the next logical step in the process to bring Vijay Mallya back to India? Aditya?
Well, absolutely, Padmaja. News seem to be tightening around Vijay Mallya, the liquor baron who has been, in fact, out of India, evading the law enforcement agencies. In fact, Vikas Swarup, the Ministry of External Affairs spokesperson, made it abundantly clear that they have received requests from the Enforcement Directorate on the basis of the court order issuing a non-bailable warrant against Vijay Mallya. And that's why there are 2 key aspects that the Ministry of External Affairs is looking at. One, of course, is the revocation of the passport. Already the process has begun. A notice has been issued to Vijay Mallya, and he has a time of 1 week to respond, which will be expiring within a couple of days. Also, the second aspect certainly is the deportation of Vijay Mallya. Immediately after the revocation of passport, Vijay Mallya will have no option but to surrender because he will almost become a person without any kind of an immunity and without any locus standi in the United Kingdom, and should be handed over to the Indian agencies.